Question number 131. State true or false for the given statements and select the correct option. A. In dicot stems, vascular cambium is completely secondary in origin. B. Phylloderm is also called the extrastellar cambium. C. Peripheral region of the secondary xylem is lighter in color and is known as alburnum. D. Sapwood is hard, durable and resistant to attack of microorganisms because of deposition of organic substances. So you have to check whether these statements are true or false. A. In dicot stems, vascular cambium is completely secondary in origin. No. In case of dicot stems, the vascular cambium is partly primary and partly secondary in origin. So the intrafascicular cambium is primary in origin and the interfascicular cambium is secondary in origin. Both together, intra and interfascicular cambium form the vascular cambium. So this statement is false. Second, phylloderm is also called the extrastellar cambium. No, the extrastellar cambium is phyllogen, not the phylloderm. This phyllogen cuts off the cells towards the outer and the inner side. Towards the inner side, it cuts the cell called the secondary cortex or the phylloderm. And towards the outer side, these are the cork cells and are called as phylum. And this phylum, phyllogen and phylloderm together known as periderm. So this statement is also false. C. Peripheral region of the secondary xylem is lighter in color and is known as alburnum. Yes, it is true. The peripheral region of the secondary xylem is sapwood. It is called as alburnum and it is lighter in color and lower in density as compared to the heartwood. So this is true. D. Sapwood is hard, durable and resistant to the attack of microorganisms. No, it is the heartwood which is resistant to the attack of microorganisms due to deposition of organic substances. So again it is false. So false, false, true, false. The correct option for the given question is option number 4. Let's move to the next question. Question number 132. A hypothetical arrangement of 3 plant cells A, B and C is given below. Find the correct sequence of movement of water among these cells. Water moves from high to low water potential, or you can say from low to high DPD. So you can find out either the water potential of the cells or the DPD of the cells. If you find out the water potential, water moves towards the high to low water potential, and if you find out the DPD, the water will move from low DPD to high DPD. So what is a DPD? DPD can be calculated with the help of a formula called OP minus TP, and psi W calculated with the help of this formula which is called psi S plus psi P. DPD and the psi W both are equal but opposite in sign. So this is very important to remember. Now, what will be DPD over here? OP minus TP, that is 5 minus 3, that is 2. So DPD of this cell will be 2 atm. And for this cell, it is the 5 atm which is given. And for here, because the value of psi S and psi P are given, you can find out the value of psi W, which is minus 7 plus 4, that is minus 3. Hence, the DPD of this cell will be plus 3 atm. Now, water moves from low to high DPD. So, water can move from B to C, as B has lower DPD as compared to the C. And A has lower DPD as compared to C. So, water can move from A to C also. Now, between A and B, which has lower DPD, of course B. So, water will move from B to A. So the correct option for the given question is option number 2. Let's move to the next question. Question number 133. Select the feature of features which are exclusively present in gymnosperms. A. Xylem vessels. B. Heterospores. C. Naked seeds. D. Dominant plant body containing root, stem and leaves. E. Triploid endosperm. First option only C, second only A, B and C, third only B, C and D, fourth all except E. So you have to find out the features which are exclusively only present in gymnosperms. A. Xylem vessels. No, xylem vessels are present in few gymnosperms and most of the angiosperms. So it is not the exclusive feature of gymnosperms. Heterospores. Heterospores can be seen in some members of Pteridophyta. All gymnosperms and angiosperms are heterosporous. So this is ruled out. Naked seeds. Yes, gymnosperms have naked seeds because they lack fruits. So these seeds are not enclosed in the fruits, they have naked seeds, and it is the characteristic feature of gymnosperms. D. Dominant plant body. No, the dominant plant body called sporophyte and which has true root, stem and leaves. It is also seen in pteridophytes as well as angiosperms. Triploid endosperm is a feature of angiosperms only. So this is also ruled out. So only C is correct. So the correct option for the given question is option number 1. Question number 134. Brown algae differ from red algae as the former. First option, have oogamous reproduction only. Second, produce biflagellated and motile asexual spores. Third, have polysulfate esters in their cell wall. Fourth, have stored food similar to amylopectin and glycogen. How brown algae or the Phaeophyceae differ from the red algae or the Rhodophyceae? In having oogamous reproduction only? No, oogamous reproduction is shown by red algae also. So in this feature, brown algae cannot differ from red algae. Second, produce biflagellated and motile asexual spores. Yes, motile stages or the motile spores are absent in red algae. They don't have motile spores, motile gametes. They lack motile stages. Hence, this is correct. Third, having polysulfated esters. No, brown algae have non-sulfated esters in their cell wall, not the polysulfated. Polysulfated esters are seen in the cell wall of red algae. So this option is ruled out. The last one is have stored food similar to amylopectin and glycogen. They are present in the red algae. In case of brown algae, they store food in the form of laminarin and mannitol. So the correct option for the given question is option number 2. Let's move to the next question. Question number 135. Select the incorrectly matched pair. First option, potassium maintains turgidity of cells. Second, zinc required in larger amounts in comparison to macronutrients. Third, manganese plays a role in splitting of water during photosynthesis. Fourth, boron helps in translocation of carbohydrates through phloem. Potassium maintains the turgidity of cells. It is correct. Manganese plays a role in the splitting of water during photosynthesis. Yes, because it is a part of OEC or the oxygen evolving complex. Boron helps in translocation of carbohydrates through the phloem. It is also correct. What about this which says that the zinc is required in larger amounts in comparison to other macronutrients? No, zinc is a micronutrient and it cannot be required in larger amount as compared to the macronutrient, because macronutrients are always required in larger amount as compared to micronutrients. So it is incorrectly matched pair. So the correct option for the given question is option number 2. Let's move to the next question.